So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the few new updates in Filmora X. So without any late, let's begin. So first of all, the new option is, first of all I'm going to import few videos. So just go to here and inside the import media, so I am just importing a few media files. So for example, I am just importing this one. Okay guys, so now you can say this is my video and I am just importing this one. So if I drag this one inside my timeline, so it is asking me the two options. So the first one is the 1280 into 720 30 fps, and the second one is the key project setting, that is 1920 into 1080 25 fps. So you should to decide in which aspect ratio do you want to work. Okay, so in this time I'm just using 1920 into 1080 25 fps. Okay, so now I can see my video came inside here, and now I can do anything whatever I want. Okay, so this is one of the new updates in Filmora X. And the second new update in Filmora X is, so now we can say here is my video, right? So before there was the only one option, so just you have to right click and just you have to click the split, or you can directly press the Ctrl+B. So this is the shortcut key, right? But in this new version of the Filmora X, so now we can see here is a one icon available, right? So this is looks like the scissor, and you have to click in the scissor. So now we can see here it is splitting the video, right? So this is also one of the new feature which is available inside the Filmora X. So for example, if you have more than 2 videos in your timeline, so it will split all videos in one time. Okay, so first of all you have to set your playhead and just you have to click in the scissor and you will get the split result. And the third update is the keyframe. Okay, so now you can say this is my video right inside my timeline. So if I want to give the if I want to use the keyframe, before in the Adobe Premiere Pro only there was the keyframe, and in other video editing software only there was the keyframe, but in this time in Filmora X also there is the keyframe available. Okay, so for example, if I want to use this, so now we can see here is a video, right? So if I want to show only this area, so what to do? So in that time you have to use the keyframe. So now we can see inside here there is a one option that is keyframing. Okay, so just you have to click here, and now we can see it is telling me that the keyframe where did you put. So now we can see the one keyframe is showing inside my video timeline. Okay, so I have to play this one. Okay, then after that just you have to scale your video like that. Okay, so I'm scaling my video, and okay, you can set the X and Y position also. So in this time I think I should to set in this way. Okay guys, so now we can see if I play this video. Okay, so now I can see my keyframe is working, right? So this is also another new update inside Filmora X. So now I'm going to tell you another new update, so that is motion tracking. So just you have to click here. So first of all you have to select your video inside your Wondershare Filmora X timeline, and just you have to, so now I can say here is one option available, that is motion tracking. So it will track your camera, object motion, and many more things. So just you have to click here, and just you have to click in order to apply motion tracking and keyframing animation, then just you have to click in the yes. And so now you can see here just you have to click in the start tracking. Okay, and it will start to track. Okay, but in this I'm just closing this one because it will check the entire video, so that's why. So it will take a little bit time, so that's why. But this is the new feature of the Filmora X. And the another update in Filmora X is, that is the effect. Okay, so before there was a power tool. If you want to use the Gaussian blur and mosaic like that, in that case you have to use the power tool by pressing Ctrl+P, or you have to right click. So now you can see there is no power tool available inside here, right? So if you want to use the blur, or if you want to use the mosaic, in that time just you have to go in the effect tab and just you have to click in the search and you have to type mosaic, for example. So now you can see the mosaic is coming inside my video, and you have to drag that one. So now you can see here your mosaic effect is coming inside your video, right? So this is also new update. So there are various types of the effect. For example, if you want to use the blur, so you have to type the blur, and now you can see you will get the blur. So in this way you can use various types of effects inside your Filmora X. But in the major changes in the mosaic is before there was a power tool, and in this time there was no power tool inside your Filmora X. And the last updates on Filmora X is, before there was the various tabs inside here, right? Before there was different types of the buttons here, but now we can see here before the audio, titles, transition, the various types of the options was here, and in this time they put all the option inside the top in the below of the menu bar. So this is also another new updates in Filmora X. So today we discuss about the few major updates inside Filmora X, hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.